Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an X Twitter account without using a phone number. Let's begin. First, open the X app, click on Create Account and enter your name, email address, and date of birth. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. Now, you will receive a verification code in your email inbox. Open your email, find the code, and enter it in the required field, and click Next. After that, next, you'll be asked to create a password for your X account. Enter a strong password, click Sign Up to continue. Now, X, Twitter, will ask if you want to add a profile picture. You can upload one, or skip this step for now. The next step is to choose a username. Type in your preferred username, and if it's already taken, X will suggest available alternatives. Once you've selected a username, click Next. Finally, click on Create Account, and that's it. You now have a Twitter X account without using a phone number. Now you can start customizing your profile, following people, and exploring tweets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.